First of all, let's talk about that number. Because I know you're probably wondering, what does it mean? Is it the number of times you want to use this towel? The amount of detailers who swear by it? PSI of pressure your mind is under, trying to understand what it is? No. 500 stands for GSM, which is just a fancy way of measuring how dense a microfiber towel is. The higher the GSM, the thicker and plushier the towel feels. But don't mix that up with absorbency, because weave and fiber blend play a big role too. Now, what does that mean in the real world? Instead of using this, use this. One's an insult to your paint, the other pure buttery smoothness. This towel is the king of detailing towels. No borders, no rough edges, just ultra premium South Korean microfiber. That's soft enough to make your car feel like it's getting tucked into bed at a 5-star hotel. Yeah, that's soft. Where do you use it? Listen, if you don't know where to use the Eagle Edgeless, I don't know what to tell you. This towel can do it all. Rinseless washing, done. Polish residue removal, easy as you like. A quick wipe down for your car's interior, there you go. It's the Swiss Army knife of microfiber towels, except it's not Swiss, it's Korean. And instead of having all these tiny scissors you never tend to use, it's got thousands of fibers that will love your car more than you do. What do people think? Let me put it to you this way. If the Eagle Edgeless was a concert, they would play Careless Whisper. And if it was a movie, it would be Star Wars, but not the last 3. And if it was a sandwich, well, I don't know, I don't like sandwiches, but it would be delicious. People who've used it once, they never go back to regular towels. They say things like, and honestly, I get it. If you're still out here using low quality towels that feel like sandpaper, stop it. Get some help. The Eagle Edgeless exists for a reason, and if you want your car to look its best, this is your towel. Oh, and if you're not using high quality microfiber yet, you should be in jail. No, seriously, you should. But I won't turn you in. Just hit the link in the description down below, get yourself a pack of Eagles today, your car will thank you.